The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar by and large especially is serious areas of strength for truly. So they in every way that really matters, thought. Or so they for the most part thought. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 64 cents in an unpretentious way, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense explicitly is drifting at $3,141,918 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Nexo down roughly 1.17% inside the pretty in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. 22 June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for essentially especially 1 week from now, and by and large, for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. By and large got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is somewhat transient cost expectation for Nexo. For the most part is Nexo a fundamentally wise interest in a sort of huge manner, or so they sort of thought. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of especially is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Yet prior to jumping kind of genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, certainly let us generally discuss the sort of exceptionally current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the fundamentally sort of last 24 hours, there generally basically was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of most certainly whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656 in an essentially huge manner, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The in every way that really matters, by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part, fundamentally remains at $45,387,585,410 in an essentially huge manner, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way, which generally sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which fundamentally for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they certainly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum Veri has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally in a real sense thought in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, which generally for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.14 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that 22 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part basically walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for actually, especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually actually by and large got clarification on some things facts. What for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Nexo, basically is Nexo an excellent venture, which entirely is very critical, which generally is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that however prior to plunging kind of especially profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part let us for the most part basically discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which basically by and large is genuinely huge, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market most certainly fundamentally is going in a decently genuinely descending course, for most certainly exceptionally present moment, which especially essentially is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Right now, a very most certainly broad genuinely quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner, which really is very huge. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction. Quite are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally truly distinguish certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, essentially extremely in spite of mainstream thinking in a genuinely significant manner. Support truly generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly for the most part become reasonably genuinely more kind of certainly dynamic, and by and large, explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling, and especially for the most part further, in an especially in every practical sense, significant way, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors truly become move in every practical sense, really dynamic, and by and large fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense, basically is genuinely critical in and in every way that really matters, significant way. Following especially generally are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The pretty certainly current Nexo cost in a real sense, sort of is 64 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,141,918 in every way that really matters recent hours. So these occasions especially generally show that the market sort of is going in a kind of genuinely descending heading for reasonably especially transient in a pretty certainly enormous manner. Presently, Nexo sort of generally is somewhere near 1.17% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $356,552,440 United States dollars, in a decently kind of huge manner in a significant manner. Nexo value examination Nexo cost examination for 22 June 2023, inside a quite day-to-day time period, certainly essentially made sense of underneath, exhibiting how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar actually for the most part is serious areas of strength for truly, certainly in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical in a significant way. We utilize entirely relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, straightforward moving extremely kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving quite normal, EMA to especially basically dissect the future development of the Nexo, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is drifting at $3,141,918, decently truly, in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo for the most part in every practical sense has generally explicitly break all its especially basically upholds levels, and things especially basically are not looking excellent for the crypto market, exhibiting how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar entirely is areas of strength for truly, certainly for the most part is very huge. Further appearance how these occasions by and large in a real sense demonstrate that the market certainly explicitly is going in a decently truly descending course, for most certainly lovely present moment, which especially is genuinely critical, or so they most certainly thought. As of now, in every practical sense, for the most part bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively outrageously take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents. So the kind of fundamentally complete exchanging volume